something a little bit different. What you see on screen is a 3D print in bronze of the Glengarry cap badge from the Royal Anglesey Light Infantry 1877 that I modelled up and got 3D printed for a client. As you can see, it's pretty small, but still retains quite a lot of detail. The regiment that the badge belongs to went through several titles since its formal formation in 1762 as a result of the Militia Act of 1757. It was mobilised on several occasions for garrison service in the UK and was converted to the engineer role in 1877, after which it saw service in the Boer War and World War I, only to be disbanded in the 1920s. The regiment claimed descent from the trained bands of militia which appeared in Henry VIII's Great Muster of 1539, where it was registered that Anglesey had 1,228 men of military age. 620 were harnessed, that is to say equipped for war. It would be these men who could be assumed to be part of the trained bands and the ancestors of the regiment. So a little bit of history there for you. So you can see the detail that it's picked up in the actual print. The back of this print is solid and flat. The original cap badge is from a stamped material, so it shows that this isn't trying to pass off as an original. It is a replica, which the beauty of 3D print and 3D modelling is you can alter things like that, so it becomes suitable for purpose. It is small, hence the shaky footage and the out of focus in occasions. It's quite a difficult thing to film. This is a 3D print of a wireframe horse. Technique I use sometimes is simplify an actual sculpture and then use the lines of the sculpt to create the geometry and the physical form of the model. Again, printed in bronze material, a little bit bigger. I've shrunk this down now to about 3.5–4 centimeters, so it's suitable for as a pendant necklace type thing. The video is just to give it an insight into the quality of the products that I can produce and the detail that I can retain in the 3D modelling. So anything can be sculpted, and within reason anything can be printed. Lots of materials to choose from. Find some of these on my Shapeways store or my Etsy store. I'm having a few problems with the Etsy store at the moment with 3D prints, so I might just keep them on the Shapeways store. Thanks for watching. Bye.